Mr. Calamos, today you've actually given a speech as to what will attract new investors in Greece. What do you think is the main characteristic that may attract those investors?
Well, I think some of the changes that are occurring, decrease the regulations, allow business to come to Greece. So we're seeing some of those changes. They're small, but we're seeing some of those changes. I think that's really critical for the future.
Could you please refer to those changes one by one, or namely?
Yeah, well, I'll just give you an example of one major change. What I've heard is that the businesses today can set up their own pension fund. This is great opportunity for not only Greece as a whole, but it allows them to invest for themselves. It's not from the taxpayer. This is critical. This is critical for the success going forward. So I think that's very positive.
We've seen you here last year as well. It's not the first time.
Yeah.
And I would just like to ask you, has something really dramatically changed since last year or the previous ones that you were already here?
Yeah. No, we've always, I think people have the sense that we come here because there's so much investment opportunity. We come here because of our heritage. We would love to be able to help Greece, and we come to continue to look at it to see if that's opportunity. I give a lot of my success in the United States to my Greek heritage. So if I could do something to help that, I'd be happy to do it. So we've continued to come here to look and see how we can help. There's investment opportunities all over the world. And so that's an important aspect of what we're doing.
Would you like to share with us some maybe of your future investment plans in Greece?
Well, we're looking at the insurance area, and we're partners with a insurance development firm that we help fund. So we're excited about that to take that forward.
And finally, you also referred to a brain drain earlier on. Would you like to tell us a few words as to how could you possibly help the youth in order to fight back this unemployment rates?
Well, it's so much depends, I think, on less regulation, deregulation. So if somebody here, the youth, have a great idea, they can execute that idea here and help create an economy going forward. So I think that's really important going forward. I don't know how I can help it personally, but I think if people realize how important that is, you ought to be able to start a business literally overnight. So that's what I hope happens going forward. Because the future generations, they have the ideas, they know technology, they know how to use it, and you want that idea to really help prosper the whole economy here.
Finally, just a few words on the Capital Link event.
Well, it's very informative. So it seems like we've covered a large area. So again, it was a great event.